hey friends, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you are new. I'm Sky and I'm so happy that you are here for this video. This is my 2025 fall home tour video, and it's one that I always look forward to putting together for y'all. So if you've been following along for a little while, you may have seen some of my fall decorating content here over on my YouTube channel. I love to share decorating ideas and inspiration throughout all of the different seasons, but I am most excited when the fall and the holiday seasons come around. I just love bringing in the coziness of the season into our home. I've shared several different decorating videos in different spaces in our home, from our dining room to our kitchen, our living room, our front porch, but there are a couple of areas that I just hadn't gotten around to filming that are now finished, and you're going to get to see in this video today. So I hope that you enjoy these spaces, enjoy getting to kind of see how everything flows together naturally. Over the last couple of years, I have really developed a love of antique and vintage items. I love antique shopping. I share it often here on my channel, and I also enjoy bringing those pieces into our home and playing around with them and giving you styling and decorating ideas with them too. I love the idea of creating a timeless look and bringing in natural elements into our home. I really have taken to the moody colors, the darker greens and the browns, which you're going to see a lot of in our fall decorated home. And so I'm just really excited to bring y'all along. I hope that you enjoy this home tour and that it just gets you excited for the fall season. Cozy up with a delicious drink or a snack. I've got my Earl Grey tea. This is kind of my go-to during the fall and the winter. It's my favorite little afternoon cup of tea, and so I'm gonna kind of just be sipping on this as we are taking a look at our home. Before we jump right in, I do want to kindly thank Quince for sponsoring today's video. I have been working on trying to create a timeless capsule wardrobe for the fall season, and I have found the most beautiful items from Quince, and so I wanted to share some of those outfit pieces with you. You all know I love pieces that feel timeless, both in my home and in my wardrobe. That's why I'm so excited to be partnering with Quince in this video. Quince is all about making quality essentials that stand the test of time. Beautifully made, sustainably sourced, and offered at prices that are truly within reach. Now let me show you a few of the pieces I've been loving for fall. This organic cotton boyfriend crew sweater is the perfect blend of cozy and classic, soft, breathable, and the kind of piece that never goes out of style. I've been pairing it with these 14 karat gold half huggy hoop earrings. They are simple, timeless, and elegant. They instantly elevate even the most casual outfit. For shoes, I love these water repellent suede clogs. They're practical and comfortable, but still have that minimal refined look that I'm always drawn to. These organic stretch corduroy flare pants in the color seaweed are such a great fall staple. They're soft and flattering and so easy to style. I love how they add a touch of color while still feeling neutral and timeless. Another favorite is this organic cotton fisherman crew sweater. I love the speckled beige texture. It's cozy and classic with that vintage inspired feel that never goes out of style. And for something a little more structured, the suede Chelsea boots are such a staple. They go with everything and feel so well made, durable yet timeless. This organic cotton gauze peasant blouse has such an effortless look. It's light and airy, perfect for layering under sweaters or wearing on its own as we move through the seasons. The oversized cotton cardigan in speckled beige is another piece I've been reaching for constantly. It's soft, cozy, and layers beautifully. Every single piece feels high quality, soft, and made to last. And I love knowing that Quince is thoughtful about sustainability too, choosing organic fabrics, ethical production, and environmentally conscious packaging. And they make it easy to shop with free shipping on all orders and 365-day returns, so you really have nothing to lose. If you're building your fall capsule wardrobe or just want a few timeless, beautiful pieces to add to your closet, definitely check out Quince. You can shop everything I'm sharing and more through the links in my description box. Go check out Quince. I think you'll love them as much as I do. Cozy up, friend. Grab your favorite drink, and I hope you enjoy my fall home tour. As we step into the entryway, I just love how open and bright this space feels with the 2-story foyer and all of the natural light pouring in. It's both beautiful and functional. We have this little shelf by the door to hang a purse or a little jacket, and we also have this basket that holds our keys and another basket on the ground that holds the dog leashes and harnesses. It's those simple touches that really make a space work well for everyday life. Now, opening up these French glass doors as we step into the office, a space that has gone through so many different iterations over the years, right now it's really serving our family well. It's where I work, but it's also where our kids do their home study days for school. I love how this room has come together with a mix of old and new. The desk, rug, and a little dresser in the corner you'll see in a moment are all Facebook Marketplace finds. Then we added in these beautiful new boucle chairs from Cheetah Living. They're so soft and comfortable, and a simple little side table that ties everything together from Target. It's truly become such a cozy, functional space for our family, and I love the collected feel. Now moving into the front living room. This space was originally a formal dining room when we bought the house, but in this season of life with young kids, a second living room and some extra cozy seating just made more sense. This isn't that traditional front room though that no one ever uses. It's a space where we're actually in all the time. We play games in here, read together, and it's where the kids are starting to learn how to play piano. I've loved styling this room for fall. Right now we have this beautiful shelf in here by this couch, which eventually will be swapped out for a small Christmas tree once the holidays roll around, but I did have fun putting together this shelf decor. It feels collected and cozy and perfectly in tune with the season. Our couch in here is from Home Reserve, and it's been such a great piece for our family. Every single seat and the ottoman have built-in storage, which is perfect for keeping blankets, pillows, and board games tucked away but still close at hand. A lot of the pillows on the sofa are ones I've gathered over the years, mixed and matched to create a layered, comfortable look that still feels intentional. These swivel chairs are from Cheetah Living, and they're truly some of our favorites. They have such a nice texture to them, but they're also really soft and durable and so comfortable. Grounding the whole space is this Laloy rug, which brings in those soft, warm tones that I keep coming back to again and again. Our piano was a Facebook Marketplace find that we got several years ago for, I believe, $50. It's painted the color Olive by Annie Sloan, and it's the most beautiful muted green. We actually use that same color for the accent wall in our main living room, and I get asked about it all the time because it really is that good. The piano sits on this small wall that backs up to our kitchen. On one side we have the kitchen, and then the other is a little hallway that leads into the rest of the main floor. This striped wall was a DIY project that we did a while back. It's painted, not wallpaper, but it gives that same classic elevated look. It was so much easier than applying wallpaper, and I love how it turned out. We added this battery-operated art light from Amazon and a couple pieces of artwork that my friends gifted me for my birthday, and then this beautiful bench that I found on Facebook Marketplace. Now moving into the kitchen, truly the heart of our home, it sits right in the center of our main level, so it's where we're constantly gathering as a family. When we first bought this house, we fully renovated this space. We got new countertops, appliances, backsplash, hardware, paint, everything. It's one of the biggest transformations we've done, and it still feels so special to us. Down the road, there are a few things I'd like to update, like boxing in the fridge, or maybe leveling out the island so it's one height, but overall this space really works so well for us. We get a lot of questions about our paint colors, so here's a quick little rundown. Our trim, doors, and cabinetry are painted Heather by Dunn Edwards, which can be color matched by Sherwin. And the white on our walls throughout our home is Snowbound by Sherwin. This little breakfast nook dining area is where we spend most of our time, eating, doing crafts, playing games, and doing school. It's such a lived-in, loved space. I adore this antique-inspired shelf that we DIY'd and all the moody browns and rich tones that make it feel timeless for fall. The framed art on the wall is an antique store find with a print from Etsy inside. And our table and chairs were both Facebook Marketplace scores, but they are originally from Pottery Barn. In the evenings, the soft glow of all the LED candles in here makes it feel so cozy and warm. Just a quick peek into our half bath, we added wallpaper from Love Verse Design and installed beadboard around the lower half of the room. It's a small space, but one that feels so charming now. And finally, the main living room. This space has seen so much change in the 5 years we've lived here. We completely tore out the original fireplace and replaced it with an antique one that we refinished to look even more aged and worn. We added wallpaper, swapped out the curtains for something softer and warmer, and built this board and batten wall, again in that beautiful olive by Annie Sloan color. The furniture in here, our couch and chairs, are also from Cheetah Living, and we love them so much. They're beautiful, high quality, and so durable, which is important for us with kids and pets. The coffee table was another Facebook Marketplace find. It's custom made and adds the perfect rustic touch to the room. This whole space just feels like the heart of fall, cozy, layered, and lived in, and truly reflects what home means to us in this season. I really tried to focus on creating a home that feels warm and inviting, a space that's both beautiful and functional for our family in this stage of life. I love how each room tells its own little story, mixing those older collected pieces with a few new finds that keep things fresh and inspiring. If you've been thinking about curating more timeless pieces in your home or your wardrobe, definitely take a look at Quince. Their quality, sustainable designs truly embody that same timeless, intentional approach I try to bring into our home. Shop the links in my description box now before these Quince items sell out. Thank you so much for spending time here with me today. I hope you enjoyed this fall home tour. And if you're new here, I'd love for you to subscribe for weekly uploads where I'll be sharing all things home, from decorating to DIYs, and lots of holiday content starting very soon.